friends, today I am going to uh, one most of the important part uh, like a dictionary. So dictionary, just how to create a dictionary through a Python's programming language, and most important part. So please concentrate and learn very seriously. So what is the dictionary? Dictionary, just everybody knows. Dictionary are used to store data values in key value pairs. So look here, I have written dictionary dict as a variable and putting like a curly brackets, and then we can use some value. So first value I have written brand, Ford, model, Mustang, and year 1964. And now I want to print dictionary. So this has been created as a first dictionary. So look here, the brand, Ford, model, Mustang, year 1964. Similarly, I want to print only the single, like I want to print a brand, I want to like print model, I want to like print year. So need to write here print dict as a variable, because and brand. So brand I have mentioned, so look here, and now I want to like here model. So look here, model, so this one, it has been print here the models Mustangs. Similarly, I want to like print here year. So look here, it will be, yeah, print 1964. So this one you can easily print one and two elements, more than two is also. Next, the duplicate is not allowed. So dictionary duplicate not like to allow here. So the dictionary cannot have the two items with the same keyword. So dictionary brand, food, model, mustard, and I have written here the year. So look what happens. Just I have written the twice years, but it will be accepted automatically only one. So it has been accepted, just brand it has been model, but year only 2020 it has been. So it doesn't like to allow this one. Access a dictionary items means you can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside the square brackets. So look here I was looking like this way, like a dict has a written the parenthesis inside of the parenthesis, but same dictionary I have written, and now I am using the another variable x dict model and print x. So this is the way to we can access the items of dictionary by referring to its like a key name, like a x and something. So your keys has been given the model. Method call gates. So this is the just like a same results. So this is the alternative methods. Method call gates means if you write the x equal to dict dot get model, so you can get here, right? If you write here year, you can get the year. Similarly, the key methods will return all the list, return a list of all the keys in a dictionary. So look here, dict key, because dict as a variable dot keys. So keys means brand, models, and years. These are the dict key, dictionary key. Now add the new items to the original dictionary and see that the key list gets updated well. So first, just I have already created one dictionary mot mode, and now x will equal to mode dot keys and print here. Then we can see the previous all these value has been created like this. And now I want to change this value mot color white. Second value has been created here, this one color has been added as a new value. Similarly, but I want to the red here, so look here, red, so it will be printed as a red here. Color has been given, but if you like to wait here, wait, and just you can write the 20. Okay, so you can see here the change has been wait. Look here. So this is the way to we can add any new items. Similarly, the value methods will return a list of all the values in the dictionary. So x will equal to dict as a variables dot values and print one. This one has been printed. Look, this is the way because it has been the edit. Now another dictionary, it has been generated same, and you can change this value. So the mode year and 2020, and if I write here 2022, so look, it has been printed. So you can look here, the first value it has been before the change, and second output value has been after the change. Now we use update method, will update the dictionary with the item from the given argument. So previous dict as it is the previous dictionary, and dict dot update, if you write here, so year and value means key and value both will come at together. So then we can print here, print dict up, it has been updated, and now print and dict. So the print dict means all values has been look like this. Adding the items, so the adding an item to the dictionary is done by using the new index key and assigning the value to it like a previous dictionary, and now adding a color as a red, so we can print here. So we will see the new output look like this. Same if you want to the update something, so I can use here the update dict dot update. So the update means color as a red, so we like to print here dict, so print and now dict, right? So look there, this one is the output. Another, the pop methods remove the item with the specified key names. So the dict dot pop and models, so models has been given. So now I am using this one is the model. So look here, brand, Ford, year, and this one brand, Ford, and models has been removed from this dictionary. Pop items means method remove the last inserted items. So look here, pop dict dot pop items. So look here, it has been already last items has been automatically pop items methods has been removed. Now the del keyword remove the items with the specified key names. So del dict, and I am specifying model, so it will be removed from this dictionary. So look here, it has been removed models from this dictionary. Next, the clear methods empties the dictionary here. So if you want to the dict dot clear, because dict as a variable, so you can use here dictionary. Now you don't have the any items in this dictionary. Another, we are going to use loop dictionaries. Loop dictionary means you can loop through a dictionary by using a for loop. So you write here for x in dict and print x. So print all the keys name of in this dictionary means, so write here print dictionary. So x, if you have taken any variable, then we can write here. Similarly, if you write here print all the value of the dictionary one by one, so for x in a dict and print dict x as a like this way, so you can write here. Because you don't have mentions there, means x, where is the x, so I didn't take any value, so this one is the way to write this simple way. Similarly, if you can take any variables, like one is the x, another is the y, so x comma y in the dict items and then print x y, then both will be printed. Now the make a copy dictionary with a dict functions, and dict functions means I make a dictionary like a previous way, and now I want to the make a copy something like this one, so it will be look at dict dot dict and dict dot dict. So here I think we are getting some mistakes, like a dict object is not callable and dict has been given, so I am getting a some. But we try here make a copy dictionary, because so dictionary means dict and this functions, so this has been worked. Okay, it's not a working, look here. And similarly the dictionary can be a contain, so I will check here. A dictionary can contain the dictionaries. This is called the nested dictionary, and create a dictionary like a family, first child name, years, these has been a givens. Similarly the child 2 and others has been given. Now the another, you can also create the 3 dictionaries. This is the way to you can create child 1, child 2 and child 3, this type of the dictionary, and you can write as a something right here, but it not properly, just means look here, you can make and something child 1, child 2, x as a variables and something. And these are the dictionary way. So the dictionary methods, the Python has set of built in a method that you can use on a dictionaries. Method descriptions clear, like a clear parenthesis, remove all the elements from the dictionary. Copy, return the copy of the dictionary. Pro keys returns the dictionary with the specified keys and value. Get, return all the value of the specified key. Items, return all the list contains a tuple, we will discuss each key. And key returns the list contains a dictionary's key. Pop, remove the elements with the specified key. Pop items, remove the last inserted key value pairs. and mm, state faults return the value of the specified key. If key doesn't exist, insert the key. Update dictionary will specify the key value pairs, and values return a list of all the values in the dictionary. So these are the methods, so you keep in your mind, and I hope you may understand, and I will try to do the some examples like how to create a lengthy data and something. So in the next video, wait and watch. Thank you.